Gaganda nung picture.
Oh, meron pa. Talagang ano, may slideshow tapos may video pa.
Eh, ang ganda. Ay, ang ganda. Ay, ang taray!
Tapos yung binababa yung kamay na.
Patay yung ligo mo, panalo lagi yung babae. Tama.
Manalo lagi yung babae.
Yung mga pinagsasabi ko yun, hindi ko na.
Puro kauton lang pinag...
Wala, di ba naintindihan?
Taba.
Tulo, pawis.
Ah, naiingit talaga ako sa ganyan mo.
Sa alumni lang kasi pwede yan.
Ganda ng flowers.
Titingin yan.
Hindi yan titingin.
Ah, hindi ba?
You said yes to me back in 2021 by the sea at Basol, Pangasinan. Said yes to me again when I proposed last year by the sea at Pattaya, Thailand. Now we're here with the presence of God and the people dear to us, still by the sea, to exchange vows and IDs.
Ganda niyan, grabe.
How deep life
Sabi
takes
ko na
us,
listen ko
I
yun.
vow to always resurface with you, to choose you, to breathe with you, and to keep finding new depths of love that even the ocean can measure.
Tinikinig ako ba? Cute naman nun.
Wow.
Ganyan yung look ko kanina. Kasi nagbibideo kami, pinahawak ako
Nagkakilala
ng...
po kami ni Zyrene sa Midway
parang
Colleges po.
Ganyan.
She
Eh, may
was
ganito.
an English teacher
Kasama
and
sa
I am a
video.
newly hired marine instructor.
Kasama yun.
Our first
Mababash tayo.
conversation was a correction about my work, but I was able to depend it in English. At doon siya na-in-love sa akin kasi hindi daw po lahat ng seaman can speak or properly express themselves in English. Her words, not mine.
Meron ba? What's this one?
Naibigay pa na sa'yo.
Thank you, thank you. Sakto, nabasag yung salamin ko kaya hindi ako makapag-teach.
Naibigay pala. Akala ko hindi
Alam na
naibigay.
alam yung mga kailangan.
Sa trader nga ako dyan, wala akong regalo. Wala na, okay na sana.
Grabe. Happy anniversary. 5 years na tayo. But those 5 years felt like half of my life. Kasi every time I look back on the best and happiest moments of my
Recording,
life, most of them were with you.
You. See you later. I love you.
Walang lahat sa akin. Wag nang magdalawang isip. Habang
Kahapon eh.
Sa bawat biyak, tahana'y tiyak.
Oo, di ba? May ganyan ka naman.
Sa dating tagpuan, nananabik sa iyong pag-ubig.
Umiiyak. Nakakainis. Iyak ng iyak.
Buhat kay magdan.
Saka ano pala yung damit ko, di nakaayos.
Kailan ba ibig di mamamaliw?
They say the greatest catch in life is finding the right person to hold on to forever. Today, I marry mine.
Tingin
Kala mo talaga totoo yung nakita na.
So now that we're
Galing nila
here
umacting.
in our favorite place, with our favorite view, in front of our favorite people, I am promising to spend the rest of my life with you.
at mamahalin kita.
You loved me on my best days and loved me even more in my worst. You've shown me how to treat a woman right. Kaya nga yata all of my friends and family botong-boto sa'yo. Because they've seen kung paano mo ko alagaan. Kung paano babalatan mo muna yung hipo na kakainin ko bago ka kumain, or kahit pagod ka na sa trabaho, uuwi ka pa rin sa akin.
Oras ng sarili ay
Thank you for keeping up with me, for loving me even when I myself find it hard to love me. Thank you for keeping me afloat all throughout, with love in my heart to my last breath. I love you more than you will ever know.
paglubog ng araw at ilaw ng buwan, maubos man
Wala nang nakita kasi.
kandila, di magbabago para
I look forward to spending every sunrise and sunset with you. Of course, guided by God. I look forward to being your wife and the mother of your children.
Children.
And I also look forward to all our happy times, celebrations.
Children kasi to.
And I even look forward to the challenges that we will face because I know I'll be facing them with you. I love you, Babin, always.
Nahiya pa yun. Ah! Daming exposure.
Na.
Ala! Cry, cry.
Hindi ako umiyak. Hindi ako umiyak. Relax.
Nandito lang
Ganda no?
palagi
Oh, walang iyak.
gagabay sa'yo. Pagmamahalin kita.
Tama lang yung ikot kasi.
Ano man ang mangyari sa ating dalawa, ika'y hindi na mag-iisa.
Wow, the each defeat stories covered the wedding highlights of Renz and Cyrene perfectly.